Okay, so are you guys provide loans for Switzerland? Are you
Ha, of
sending
course.
students in
Yes, yes,
Switzerland?
I did.
Wow, you did. You
Yes.
send. How many students you have sent in Switzerland?
Switzerland's most of the people doesn't choose Switzerland city for
So anybody
study.
wants to go to abroad, Switzerland, USA, Germany, like this kind of top-notch countries, you can connect with Shujata.
Motivated.
So are you excited today? You will get the certificate.
Yes, sir.
You're really excited.
Yes.
You have trained a lot, right?
Yes.
Do you remember the first day you came here?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember the first day you came here? How
Because
have you
both are
identified
supportive.
your area of improvements? What is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness, nervousness.
Like why this happened? Have you tried to find the root cause of this? Tell me. Okay, before that, tell me which all situation you get nervous. Let's have a
Okay.
deeper understanding. Yeah.
Okay, key result
Key
area.
result area.
Okay.
तो ये HR करता है.
Okay.
ये ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं like every weekly. तो बहुत अच्छा है ये. Okay, let's talk something about what's your favorite destination?
Favorite destinations like place.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I want to share Switzerland
Switzerland is your favorite. Why Switzerland is your most favorite
because
country?
their villages amazing.
Okay. मतलब ये है कि एम्प्लॉय अगर डिसएंगेज है तो क्या होगा? लोग छोड़ के जाएंगे या लोग टिके रहेंगे?
Obviously,
लोग छोड़ के जाएंगे तो हायर टर्नओवर एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या होगा? कम होगा या ज्यादा होगा?
ज्यादा होगा. कम.
अच्छा, डिसएंगेज अगर एम्प्लॉयज डिसएंगेज है तो प्रोडक्टिविटी ज्यादा होगा?
नहीं तो फिर तो कम होगा obviously.
ऑब्वियसली प्रोडक्टिविटी कम होगा.
हाँ.
सो कम प्रोडक्टिविटी और ज्यादा टर्नओवर, लोग छोड़ के जाएंगे. सो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए, कंपनीज के लिए. सो दे शुड, द एचआर शुड ऑर्गेनाइज एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज weekly. There are brands like Taj,
Okay.
yeah, the IHCL. They organize weekly engagement activities.
Okay.
Obviously, the HR does this. It's the HR's KRA. Do you understand what is KRA?
No, sir.
Key Result Area. What's up, LDG family? And I hope you all are doing phenomenal. Today, with us, there's a special guest. Her name is Shujata. She is the relationship manager of HDFC Credila. So, in this interview session or the podcast, we'll be discussing. We will actually do chit chatting. We will, do candid conversation regarding her professional life and what are the learnings she can provide to the students of Learn, Develop, and Grow. So let's begin the podcast. So my first question to you is, what are the challenges you are facing in your professional life?
The professional lives, I must facing the problem communication skill.
Communication skill you're facing
Yes.
problem. Okay, like can you elaborate further?
Because
Like why communication skill is the most important skill the students should be giving utmost focus?
okay, because is the communication skill is the you are not communicate to other, then how can you problems their how can you solve their problems?
Correct.
So and how can you
Like how can you understand the customer's problem?
yes, of course, and how can
Okay.
you serve your products?
How can you sell your products, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you deal with foreign clients?
Not foreign, only Indian.
What does your organization does? What does your
Actually,
organization do?
We are our organization is doing our focus in education loan in abroad, and also we
You
are
provide
doing
education loan.
हाँ,
Wow, that sounds cool.
in
Okay.
In abroad, and also we are doing demonstrate India also. So
Which all countries basically you give placement?
USA, UK, Canada,
Wow. A
Australia.
lot of my friends are there in USA. Okay.
हाँ.
Canada,
Canada, Australia,
Australia,
Ireland,
UK,
Germany, Russia.
Ireland, Germany, Russia. So many countries. Okay. What are your most important learning? How long you're working in this organization?
2.5 years.
2.5 year. What are the key learnings you have learned till date?
Okay, I learned from my organizations. Skills are most important.
Okay, you have learned this, that skills are most important.
Yes, communication
Okay.
skill, listening skill, and problem solving,
Okay.
and rapport building, and relationship building. Obviously, that's it.
Does work culture plays a major role?
Actually, we are connect with direct customer,
Okay.
and we solve their problems,
Their
like
problems.
they are facing problems like arranging the fund, like
Hmm.
because abroad study it's
Okay.
very costly, so it's cost around USME course it comes around 90 lakhs or 80 lakhs also, so they are finding
All right, we're
educational
not gonna
loan.
dig deeper into the products and services.
Okay.
Okay. Do you like the work culture there?
Work culture is too.
Can you grab the mic properly?
Okay.
Yeah.
Work culture is too good. Their
Hmm.
employees are uh, so connecting and so helpful and so good. So
Do
we
you have
have
a work-life balance?
work life balance is yes, we have balanced my work life and professional and personal life. So we have no
Yeah.
problems.
How do you manage your work pressure? Because you're
Okay.
into sales, right? I'm sure there are targets and sales pressure.
Yes.
Can you switch on the fan? Please continue. Yeah.
Okay. If your boss is good, then no work pressure is pressure. So
Wow, that's amazing. Lovely words. Yeah.
I have
Your boss is very supportive, right?
very
Wow.
supportive
Do you feel
because
lucky?
yes, obviously because he's my first boss
Wow,
in
that's
my entire
amazing. Yeah.
life.
Sounds amazing. Yeah.
So thank you so much, obviously my boss, and he's very positive about me and very all time he's supportive me. Ki Sujata, please do that, do this, and
Sounds amazing. Yeah.
that's why I have pressure also definitely, but
I do understand. Do
not
you
much
understand
more
what is
that
employee engagement?
employment
What
engagements.
is employee engagement? Do you ever heard of employee engagement activities?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Your HR doesn't provides any engagement activities for the employees.
Yes, it's provided, but not much more. Like one sessions we had last Women's Day. That
Women's Day, you have celebrated.
yes,
What you
celebrated.
guys did in Women's Day?
Women's Day because that day company provided gifts, cakes, and little bit activities. We are
Uh,
drawing
so have you
something.
understood?
Uh,
This is called employee engagement activities.
okay.
Right now, you said they
Hmm.
have done some activities. They've
Yes.
organized some activities. Now, this it's very much important for team building
Team
and to
building. Yes.
build, employee welfare culture.
Hmm.
It's very much important. It plays a major role in retention.
Hmm.
Like as per Gallup, it says that engaged employees are 24% more productive than those who are not.
Hmm.
So employee engagement is very much important.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
I
yeah,
agree.
yeah. So the more engaged employees, higher productivity.
Okay.
Yeah, employees are productive and low retention. Okay, so disengaged employees to higher productivity. I'm sorry, lower productivity plus higher turnover.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ओके इसका मतलब ये है कि एम्प्लॉय अगर डिसएंगेज है तो क्या होगा लोग छोड़ के जाएंगे या लोग टिके रहेंगे
Obviously छोड़ के
लोग छोड़ के
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे तो हायर टर्नओवर
हम्म.
एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या होगा कम होगा या ज्यादा होगा
ज्यादा होगा. कम.
अच्छा डिसएंगेज अगर एम्प्लॉय डिसएंगेज है तो प्रोडक्टिविटी ज्यादा होगा
नहीं तो फिर तो कम होगा ऑब्वियसली.
ऑब्वियसली प्रोडक्टिविटी कम होगा
हाँ.
सो कम प्रोडक्टिविटी और ज्यादा टर्नओवर लोग छोड़ के
टर्नओवर.
जाएंगे सो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए कंपनीज के लिए सो द एचआर शुड ऑर्गेनाइज एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज weekly.
वीकली.
There are brands like Taj,
ओके.
yeah, the IHCL. They organize weekly engagement activities.
ओके.
Obviously, the HR does this. It's the HR's KRA. Do you
Okay.
understand what is KRA?
नो सर.
Key Result Area.
की रिजल्ट
Key
एरिया.
Result Area.
ओके.
तो ये HR करता है
ओके
कि
सर.
ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं लाइक एवरी वीकली तो बहुत अच्छा है ये ओके लेट्स टॉक समथिंग अबाउट व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन
फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशंस लाइक प्लेस. Obviously I want to share Switzerland
Switzerland is your favorite. Why Switzerland is your most favorite
because
country?
their villages amazing.
Okay, okay. So, are you guys provide loans for Switzerland? Are you
Of
sending
course.
students in
Yes,
Switzerland?
I did.
Wow, you did. You
Yes.
send. How many students you have sent in Switzerland?
Switzerland's like most of the people doesn't choose Switzerland city for
So, anybody
study.
wants to go to abroad, Switzerland, USA, Germany, like this kind of top-notch countries, you can connect with Shujata. She can guide you and help you. All right. So let's get back to the discussion.
Huh.
So Switzerland, how many students you have sent? Like
Um,
you haven't counted.
most of the people doesn't go Switzerland because they have no much more scores than USA, UK, and Australia. But also, yes, 4 to 5 people are go Switzerland, not much more.
Thank you so much. Are you happy with the salary?
Actually, sir, nobody is happy
Nobody is
with
happy with the salary.
salary.
My goodness. Are you have a huge burden of EMIs?
Yes, sir, I have.
You support your family, I believe, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow, wow. How do you manage like the work life and your family life?
Because my family is very supportive and my bosses are very supportive, so that's why I can balance my personal life and my professional life
Okay.
because
Have you
both are
identified
supportive.
your area of improvements? What is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness, nervousness.
Like why this happened? Have you tried to find the root cause of this? Tell me, okay, before that, tell me which all situation you get nervous. Let's have a
Okay.
deeper understanding. Yeah.
Okay. When I am in front of others and they are
Like,
asking
are
me
you
lots
nervous
of
right? Are you nervous
questions.
right now?
Yes, sir.
You don't look nervous. You're smiling very nicely.
But
Very
still, I feel
jovial smile
nervous.
you have. Like you're looking very cordial, but friendly. It doesn't seem like you're nervous.
No, no, no. Actually, I have nervous
It
because
means
I
you're
am
nervous.
thinking,
So you're nervous from inside, and
ha,
you're
because
putting
all
trying to put
time,
up a smile.
ha, because all
So
time
you're
I
trying
am
to hide your
thinking,
nervousness like this with a
ha,
smile.
ki
That's a
what
very good.
questions they ask
She's
me,
very
what
tactical,
questions.
huh? I mean, it's very awesome. Like nobody can do this, huh? Because a candidate is nervous. It's clearly visible in their face. They start sweating. I mean, the smile is vanish, but you're smiling so cordially. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so are you getting trained somewhere or what?
Oh,
All right, let's get back to other questions. Like, so what is your greatest strength?
greatest strengths. I love to work. Like I am doing back office work. I love.
Mhm.
So
Okay, okay, let's get back to the question again. What is your greatest strength?
greatest strength.
Hmm.
Uh, greatest strength is I
Chalo,
don't know, sir.
let me help you. Like, are you
Okay.
good with people?
Ha, of course.
What
Yes.
else you are good with?
Uh,
Handling customers' problems,
ha,
their queries.
ha.
How frequently you get angry?
How frequently? Yes, little bit. When
And what do you
when
do
I
when you get
present,
angry? Huh?
huh?
What do you do when you get angry?
I take
And
a
how do you
long
manage
breath.
your anger?
Yes, I take deep breath.
You take deep breath, number one. What
Yes,
else?
and keep some time.
You start scrolling in social media.
No, I keep some time for
Hmm.
me. Like I'm just going another place. Like then suddenly I have feel ki I am becoming a angerness. So that time I'm just left that place,
Hmm.
and I'm going another side. And then
Okay.
I spend some of time, and then I get back, and then I restart my work, the
Okay.
same work.
How do you spend your internet?
Obviously,
How
I
how
am
much of data you get every day? Is it 1.5 GB or 2 GB per day?
1 GB per day, but
1 GB per day. How do you spend
it's
that
day
data?
because
How do you spend that data?
uh, also scrolling the Facebook.
Scrolling Facebook. Okay. What
Yes.
value it gives you? Or you do just
Nothing.
for anger
Nothing is
management you do?
no,
Or it
no.
relaxes you?
Some relaxation because there are lots of uh, mm, what is
Okay.
that?
Can you tell me what contents you watch in Facebook?
Entertaining video.
Entertaining videos.
Yes.
Okay. Can you name some creators?
Mm, no, sir.
No. So you're doing mindless scrolling.
Yes.
You don't know the name of the creators,
No.
and can you
Where
recommend any
they
channel
belong?
name? I
No.
hope you can't. So you're just doing mindless scrolling.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. No problem. What's your favorite food? Are you a foodie?
Yes, sir.
What's your favorite food?
Biryani.
Biryani is your favorite food. What do you love
Yes.
to have with biryani? Obviously, raita or
No,
anything
it's
else.
cold drinks and
Cold
green
drinks you want
salad.
with raita?
Yes, and
I'm
green
sorry, cold
salad.
drinks you want with biryani.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Who's your best friend?
My best friend is me.
You are your best friend. Okay.
Yes.
So what message you want to give to the students?
Don't waste your time. Don't repeat your same mistake,
Hmm.
and proper utilize your precious time.
And what about you? When will you give up your scrolling habits?
This is a big question, sir.
This is 2025, right?
Yes,
What all
sir.
improvements you have done in this year?
Um,
Half months, half of the year is gone.
yes.
Hmm. Tell me.
I have done
Almost half.
like
Yeah.
almost half.
Hmm. Tell me.
Actually,
What all improvements you have done?
yes, I have little bit idea of professional life, corporate sector, and last year I joined Land Development Grow LDG, and that time also I unable to speak, and now few words like but still I am
How
able
LDG
to.
have how LDG have improved you, helped you?
Because I said now ki last year I joined LDG, so that time
How
I
it helped
also
you
okay because they are training and they are training also, sir.
regarding training?
Regarding training,
What kind of training LDG provides?
uh, LDG developed students
Are you
quality.
are you nervous right now? Be honest.
Ha, sir. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, because I am thinking all this time ki what questions are asked me, what questions are asked me. So this is a scenario is going my mind.
Okay, tell me, what is magnetic personality?
What is magnetic personality? Magnetic personality is separate to others. Like if I have my magnetic personality, then people's then I am not normal, but I am not
Means
same.
you are abnormal.
No, I'm not abnormal, sir.
Hmm.
I'm obviously I'm a
As if
normal
you
people.
possess magnetic personality and you become abnormal.
No, sir,
So
I'm
better
a
you don't
normal.
possess that.
Okay, so magnetic personality is a you have signity. I don't know. You have
Okay, forget about that. Let's talk about
yes,
your school life. So,
school life.
yeah. So, like, do you miss your school days?
Yes, sir. I
What's the name of
missed.
your school?
Like I have Shoshana Girls High School and Shoshana Boys High School. So
How
I have
many
two school.
friends you had during your school
Lots,
days?
lots,
Lots of
lots.
friends you had.
Yes.
Okay. So, did made any disaster at the last day,
Yes, sir.
like with the infrastructure, like with the fans and the lights of the classroom?
Yes.
Did you did anything?
Yes, sir.
What you did?
We destroyed the school's fan.
You destroyed it.
Hmm.
You sabotaged, destroyed,
Hmm.
or you tilted the fans blades.
Hmm. We playing with blades.
It's too high. How you get up? Like it's too
Bench.
high, right? You used a bench
Yes.
and then you tilted. You tilt it by your hands?
Yes, sir.
How many fans you have tilted?
Lots of fan is there.
Okay, do you regret for that or you feel proud of that?
It's a
Okay, your silence gives the answer. You have no regression for that. Your smile is saying you supported. I mean, that supports
no.
that
Not
activity
supposed to do that,
that you
but
did. So
still I
what? So
did.
this message you're giving to the
No, not support
so
that do
what
that.
message? Please tell to the students that what the student they should till the fans at the
No,
last day of the school.
no.
Then
Don't destroy the school properties.
correctly. So this shows how much they love and care, and it shows how much you love and care your school.
Yes, sir.
At the last day, you're tilting the fans. My goodness, can I imagine this? Will you tilt the fan of LDG also at the last day?
No,
No,
sir.
after getting the training, after getting the certificate, you will tilt this LDG fans also.
No, sir.
And you will broke this. You're gonna break this podium.
No, sir.
You're gonna break the laptop.
No, sir.
You're gonna tear down all those thing over here.
No,
Will you
sir.
do that?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. So, never mind. I'm just trying to pull your leg.
Yes.
Did you gotta get offended?
No, sir.
Sure. Okay. Take it. So, tell me, how is the culture of like learn, develop, and grow? How is the culture?
This is a hand-holding culture.
Hand holding culture. Very good. Very nice. Very nice.
Their students are very helpful and
Okay.
very motivated.
So, are you excited today? You will get the certificate.
Yes, sir.
You're really excited.
Face the
Yes.
reality.
You have trained a lot, right?
Yes.
Do you remember the first day you came here?
Yes, sir.
I was waiting.
Do you remember the
for
first day you
my
came here?
time.
How shy you were? You couldn't able to utter a single word.
I was
Yes,
waiting
sir.
for
That's a significant employment, right?
I
That's a
was
significant
waiting
development,
for
right?
my time.
So we are going to
I
celebrate
never
today.
give up. I
We'll
never
provide you the
stop.
certificate, and
I
we're gonna
just keep
celebrate.
on
Okay?
grinding.
Sure.
Thank you
I
so much
just
for
keep on
being with us,
grinding.
and thank you so much
I
for
just
staying.
keep on
Stay tuned with
grinding.
Learn, Develop, and
No
Grow.
matter how
See you
bad, you just
in
fall
the
flat.
upcoming
No matter
learning
how
and
bad,
motivational
you just
videos.
fall flat.
Stay tuned with
You
us.
gotta
Thank you.
try just one more time. You gotta try just one more time. You gotta learn to stand on your feet. You gotta learn. Time. I was waiting for my time. If you want something big in your life, if you want something big in your life, you gotta sacrifice everything. You gotta sacrifice everything. The friends, the movies, the chatting, the shopping, the traveling, and all the pleasures. I was waiting for my time. 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 I was waiting for my Success will never fall on your lap. Success will never fall. Success will never fall on your lap. Success will never fall on your lap. You gotta compete with yourself. You gotta compete with yourself. When the day will come, when will the day come? You will be an early riser, riser. When will the day come? You will be an early riser, riser. I was waiting for